I didn't do any grilling on this Memorial Day weekend, but I did went to the grocery store and I'm going to pick up some goodies and make a turkey burger. There was a great sale at our local grocery store for turkey meat, and I was craving a turkey burger. So I'm going to take you along with me to show you how I make my turkey burger, but in my air fryer. Here I am cutting back on salt, so I'm going to use Lawry's low sodium seasoning salt. Now this burger is going to be on the healthier side. I'm cutting down on sodium intake, and I am going to use Mrs. Dash. Add just a little bit of pepper. So I'm trying to get my grill taste on the inside, so I am going to add some smoked paprika, my favorite. Some garlic powder. This is how I season my turkey burger to add the flavor inside of it. And I'm telling you, it was truly good. And also, I'm adding some onion powder. The name of this collaboration is Let Freedom Ring, and the hosts are Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reefing Things, JMom Creations, Mary Precious Jones, Huntsville, and me at Penny's Place. Thank you so much for watching. I added just a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and I love the French brand because it's not too vinegary tasting. And here I wanted to add some liquid smoke. I love this if you're not grilling and you want to bring that grill taste inside. This is truly delicious. And I did add just a little bit of olive oil. You don't need much because turkey don't have any fat in it. And just want to stir this up and make some patties. make sure you coat your air fryer before you put your turkey burgers in. And I cook them approximately 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it. And this is my patriotic salad that I'm going to make on the side. And I did add some Swiss cheese to the turkey burger. Now this includes the romaine lettuce, some strawberries, some berries, fettuccine, some walnuts, and I'm using a raspberry dressing. Isn't that pretty with those beautiful colors? I did toast my buns, used just a little bit of mayonnaise or butter. So I am so grateful how everything turned out with my turkey burger and my patriotic salads. I'm telling you, this burger was really delicious and juicy. And if you don't have an air fryer, you definitely can cook this on the stove. I thank y'all so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Thank y'all so much and have a blessed day. Bye-bye from Penny.